this video, I'm going to show you the best way to clean and maintain your custom in-ear monitors. So if you are a worship band musician or any musician at all using custom in-ears on a regular basis, keep watching this video. I'll show you how exactly you can go about making sure you remove all of the wax and any other nasty stuff that gets inside your custom in-ear monitors. My name is Jake Goslin, helping you lead gospel-centered and tech-savvy worship. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our latest content to help you grow yourself and grow your worship ministry. So a few months ago, I realized that I was getting some pretty nasty wax buildup in my Alclair RSM quad drivers, and it was gross and the reason I noticed it is because I was just like in the middle of rehearsal, and I just noticed one of my ears like just wasn't sounding right. It sounded clogged, and indeed it was. I took it out and there's a bunch of nasty wax inside of there. So I thought, okay, I'm just gonna go to my case, and I have that little headphone cleaner thing, and it wasn't there because I lose anything that is small like that and can be lost. I lose it in a second. So what I did is I went to Alclair's website, and then I went to the cleaning and maintenance tab here, and then I was like, oh, I just need the cleaning tool and this little 5-pack. They give you 5 of these little cleaning tools that you can stick in the headphone and pry out all the nasty gunk, and it's $5 for this, and I ordered one of those. So a couple days went by, and then this box shows up at my door, and I thought that was a little fishy because these cleaning tools are only a couple inches big, this big, and I didn't understand why there was such a big box. So I thought someone was up to something fishy here from Alclair. So I opened up the box, and what do you know? They did send the cleaning tools, which I have the little bag of 5 that came in this bag right here. Looks like I already lost one of them because I only am counting 4 of them right now. Told you I keep losing these things like crazy. And then there was more stuff in this box. Next, we had a t-shirt from Alclair. Thank you, Alclair. And we had a hat and another shirt. Thanks, Alclair. And then, this is the thing though, this is why I'm making this video. They sent me the Headphone Vac Jr. And they actually sent me 2 of the same shirt, the one that says love regardless. And isn't that cute? Now Ashton can have one too. Here you go, Ashton. So let's go ahead and open up this bad boy, the Headphone Vac. Keys, something to cut with. Okay, this is the official unboxing of the Headphone Vac Jr. Got some instructions. We've got the primary unit itself, this blue box, and then we've got plastic tube. We've got a power adapter. We've got, looks like, some attachments for the tube. I think this is the part that you're gonna be sticking in your ears. And then we've got some outlet adapters, and then we've got, looks like, the other part of the attachment for the tube. So, all right, I'm gonna do something different for a change. I'm actually gonna read the instructions for a second. All right. Vacuum is plugged in. Then I need to figure out which end goes into the vacuum here with this tube. All right, got the tube going into the headphone vac, got the syringe on the end of the tube, and now I just got to put the proper attachment on the end of the syringe. So it comes with these different little needles, depending on what type of in-ears you're trying to clean. So the one that just has a small little plastic end to it is the one that works best for probably most applications. So I'm gonna put that into the end of my syringe, and it's all good to go. The way it works is obviously the vacuum is sucking the air through, but there's this little filter in here that's gonna capture all of the nastiness, so it's not going to go into the vacuum. And then every once in a while, I guess as this gets dirty, I'll have to just cut off the dirty end of it, and then keep maintaining it until I need to put a new filter. And it comes with 2 more filters here. And then I'm guessing if you run out of filters, you can just order more from Alclair. So I think we are ready to go. So I turned it on. It's definitely sucking air. And now I'm just going to go ahead and stick this little plastic end into my headphones. Ugh. I can see the wax coming into the... Oh, probably if you should use one of these needles first to get out any big chunks, and then use the headphone vac. That's kind of the next step. That looks clean. I'm gonna scrape it a little bit with the needle thing, or this thing. All right, it is officially vacked. Sounds funny. Anyways, I think this is something, I'm looking at their website right now because I definitely got all the debris out with the headphone vac. It works great for that. But I want to pick myself up some cleaning supplies here with the it's just like pack of wipes, these stay dry wipes that you can also use to kind of clear, especially the exterior of it. And it looks like you can use these wipes after every time you use these things. I probably would not take the time to do that, but you know, maybe like once a month or something would be enough for my situation. But I think if you had some wipes like this that are made for, you know, wiping off your ears and making sure it stays dry afterwards, that would also help. And that is the Headphone Vac Jr. Thanks so much, Alclair, for sending this over. It's really great. Now I have something to get rid of all of that gunk in my ears. I'm gonna link Alclair's website and the headphone vac below this video so you guys can pick one up yourself. It's a really good idea if you're investing this much money into custom in-ear monitors to make sure you have a way to help to clean and maintain those. And I'm assuming too, this headphone vac would work just fine if you even had universal fit in-ear monitors as well that have a bunch of wax in them that you're trying to get out. We want to ensure that all of our ears for all of our musicians have good hygiene. I'm going to link also my videos I have about the whole process of getting custom in-ear monitors for the first time, as well as unboxing my RSM quad drivers if you want to learn more about these headphones. I've been using them for almost a year now and I love them. They're awesome. They feel great, they look great, and they sound great, which is the most important thing. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, hit that thumbs up button and share it with your friends in ministry. You can check out some related videos right over here, and don't forget to subscribe to the Churchfront channel so you don't miss out on any of our latest content to help you grow yourself and grow your worship ministry.